everyone, welcome to Fun Food Fashion, another summer special recipe, that is custard ice cream. Very easy peasy. We all know how to make custard. Just incorporate few more easily available ingredients and make this delicious custard ice cream in this summer. But first thing first, hit the subscribe button if you're new and press the bell icon so that you get all the notification of my further video. Now jump into the recipe. So for making custard ice cream, first here I have taken some milk, 500 grams of milk, and I'm going to let it boil over very low flame. So when it's quite hot, like mildly hot, at this stage I'm going to add sugar, 100 grams of sugar or half a cup of sugar, and mix it with the milk thoroughly. Next, I want to make the popsicles or the ice cream more richer. That's why I'm using this powdered milk. I'm using one small packet of milk powder or 100 grams and mix it as well. But if you don't want to use it, you can skip it. Now I'm going to reduce it over low flame and reduce it to 1/3, and make sure you keep an eye on it and stir it in middle so that it does not stick to the pan at bottom and burn. Meanwhile, I'm going to prepare the custard mix. For that, here I have taken 5 tablespoons of custard powder or 1/3 cup of custard powder. To that I'm going to add 1/3 cup of milk, cold milk, and mix them together. I am using here store-bought vanilla custard powder. You can use any flavor, but if you are using vanilla one, it will taste much better. Now mix them all together. There should not be any lumps. Now again we are back with the milk, and milk has reduced to 1/3, as you can see. Now over very low flame, slowly put the custard mix and stir it continuously, and you will see within no seconds there will be thickened, and stir it vigorously so that there is no lumps. And the custard mix is done. Now turn off the gas and let it cool completely. Meanwhile, I am going to prepare the whipping cream. Here I have taken 200 ml of chilled whipping cream, which now I am going to whisk till they got stiff peaks. So over high speed I'm going to whip it for like 10 minutes, and see, this is called the stiff peak, where the whipping cream is holding its shape. So it's done, and our custard has cooled completely. So I'm going to transfer the custard mix into the whipping cream. All of it, and whisk both of them together, and over high speed I'm going to whisk it for 5 minutes. I think it's quite dry or tight, that's why I'm adding half a cup of milk here, cold milk, and whisk them over high speed till they are nice and smooth and creamy. And within another 5 minutes it will be like this, smooth, creamy and perfect consistency. Next to that I'm going to add some chopped cherries. Here I'm using 30 grams of chopped cherries. You can use tutti frutti or fresh fruits as well. If you want to make your kids eat fruit in the form of ice cream, you can definitely do that. Next I'm going to pour the ice cream mix into the mold, and if you don't have this kind of molds, don't worry, just take normal container and pour the ice cream mix into that and freeze it. Now in with the lid, and then I'm going to freeze it for 8 hours minimum or overnight maximum. See you after overnight. So it's done. After overnight we are back again, and I have let it rest them for 5 minutes so that I can unmold them very easily. As you can see, they are getting out of the mold very easily. Doesn't they look so delicious? And these are easy to make and lovely for summer. You can beat the heat with this lovely, easy breezy, healthy custard ice cream recipe. So if you like the video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and share with your friends. Comment in the comment section below and don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well. Thank you.